Today, let's learn the difference between buying and renting a home. When you buy a house, the initial investment may seem high because of the deposit and other expenses, but it gets better from there. Because over a period of time, your monthly installments could likely be the same amount as your rent. And once you're done with the installments, you'd have your own property to own and enjoy, one that creates value for your investment. If you're renting, then that's for the landlord. If you were to relocate, owned property can simply be put up for sale, and a fair share of your investment can be recovered. Hope that was helpful.